How to track your device repair status faster and easier than ever. There are two ways to check your device repair status. First, from another Huawei mobile phone. Just open Huawei Support app and from the Quick Services menu, select Repair Progress. Click on Check Another Device. Search by either your device serial number or service reference number. Here you find devices. Click on your device for more details, such as repair progress, device information, and service center contact details. The second way is to visit Huawei official website and click on Support, or simply follow this link. It takes you directly there. Enter your contact number and verification code, then click on Query. Select your device for more details. You can also find all details in the maintenance report. Track your device repair status faster and easier from Huawei Support Services. And thank you for watching.